A groundbreaking discovery has been made in the field of gravitational wave astronomy, and it's a game changer. An international collaboration has detected an incredible 128 new cosmic collisions, doubling our knowledge of these gravitational wave events and taking us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. But here's where it gets controversial. These findings, published in the Gravitational Wave Transient Catalogue, GWTC4, reveal more than just the number of collisions. They challenge our understanding of stellar evolution, and this is the part most people miss. The detectors have undergone recent upgrades, making them 25% more sensitive. This increased sensitivity has not only allowed scientists to observe more events, but also to measure them with greater precision. It's like having a super-powered microscope that reveals the tiniest details of the universe. Dr. Daniel Williams, a researcher at the University of Glasgow, emphasizes the significance of this update. He explains how the international network of gravitational wave detectors, combined with advanced analysis techniques, has enabled the detection of incredibly faint signals. Among the 128 new events is the loudest signal ever recorded, GW230814, providing evidence of black holes formed from previous mergers. Tessa Baker from the Institute of Cosmology and Gravitation at the University of Portsmouth adds an exciting perspective. She highlights how these new events have refined our understanding of the Hubble Constant, a crucial number in cosmology. Additionally, they've shown that gravity behaves consistently with Einstein's theory of general relativity on large cosmic scales, supporting the standard model of cosmology and its mysterious components like dark matter and dark energy. With the upcoming Vera Rubin Observatory, the possibilities for detecting both gravitational waves and light from cosmic collisions are expanding. This multi-messenger approach could provide even deeper insights into the nature of stars, black holes, and the evolution of the cosmos. It's an exciting time for astronomy and a testament to the power of international scientific collaboration. So what do you think? Are we on the brink of a new era of cosmic discovery? Share your thoughts in the comments below.